Okay, today we're doing an experiment from, what is this? The Dynamo Lab, which it's got a whole bunch of experiments in it, Ethan?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
We're doing the bubble explosion and we already did one, but we didn't show you guys.
Alright, so we're doing the bubbly eruption, it says. If you can see that there's some steps we've got to do. So I'm going to go through the instructions. Step 1 is place your volcano base on the plate.
Done.
Step 2, using your yellow measuring spoon, add 2 large spoonfuls of baking soda to the crater hole.
What is baking soda?
Baking soda. So 2 large.
Yeah. That was 1, 2.
Awesome. Okay. Step 3. Add 1 large spoonful of citric acid to the baking soda in the crater hole. So there's the package of citric acid that comes with. Be careful, don't touch that stuff, probably.
Is that good, Mommy?
Yep, put it down. You don't want to touch it, though. There you go.
Why do you not want to touch it?
Because it probably might hurt your hands. Add 1 large spoonful of the purple sweet potato powder to the crater mix. Purple sweet potato powder? What? Is this even open yet?
No. This is only for this one.
You don't have...
It's probably purple.
Be careful again, we don't want to try to get that on our...
That was very nice.
Can you see it?
Yeah. That's
Okay,
it?
yeah, put it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Fill the beaker with 15 milliliters of water. Is that already in there?
Yeah.
Is that 15 milliliters? All right, so we already filled that up with 15 milliliters of water. Add 1 large spoonful of dish soap to the beaker and mix until dissolved. Have we put soap in here yet? No? All right, so there we go. Look, wait. It doesn't say to mix that yet.
Mommy told me to.
Okay, go ahead, mix. Oh, mixing that up. Mixing. Looks pretty good to me. Looks pretty mixed up.
It's like a walk in there.
Oh, a big piece? Yeah. That's okay. All right, good mixing. Okay, so now we need to do 1 large spoonful of this into here. People can see you doing that. Okay, come on. Ready? We gotta put it over this. Put it here like this. Hold that over there.
Wait, no, because this is all like, this is still...
It's okay. It's okay. But don't put it, there you go. All right, dump that in.
Smells good.
And mix until dissolved. So mix that up. You gotta mix the, no, don't.
It smells good.
Be careful. So we gotta mix this and we had to mix that. Oh boy. And then it says we're supposed to, when that's done mixing, we gotta pour that in there and see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen, dude. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Pour it in. What's happening? Oh, it's starting to erupt. There it goes.
It's not as good as the other one.
It's not? Oh,
It's
kind of
good. It's neat though.
kind of anticlimactic there, huh?
It actually fell off the sides of that
Yeah, it's still going a little bit. It's like a volcano. Maybe we didn't add enough of something to make it go crazy. Stir it up a little bit, maybe? All right, stir it and see what happens.
Yuck.
Here, let me see. Let me try. Oh, it's definitely getting a little more foamier by doing that. Huh.
Oh my god. Just pick up. Yeah.
Well, there we go. The Dino Lab. The Bubbly Eruption one, number 19. There's a whole bunch of different. There's over 20 different experiments in this thing. That's pretty cool. I like this a lot. So, do you think this would be a good toy for people to play with?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, maybe we'll do another one and create a different video.
Yeah.
All right.
What's up?
What do you say to people?
Thanks. Subscribe and like it. Peace out.